Welcome everyone to today's video. I'm going to be unboxing the Minutes of Zen June 2026 subscription box. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lavinia. I have subscribed to the very first box, and this is a new subscription box from Kelly Bluen. This June theme is Mindful Mandalas, a Minutes of Zen drawing kit. So I don't know what's in here, so I'm going to go ahead and open it and we will take a look. I'm just going to pause the video because sometimes she does have a QR code that links to the private videos for those of us who subscribe. If you do want to subscribe, I will link her channel, Kelly's channel, in the description box, and you can go ahead and take a look at her store. Okay, so this is the card, the initial card, the welcome card. It says Mindful Mandalas, a Minutes of Zen drawing kit. Welcome to your June drawing kit, Mindful Mandalas. This month is all about slowing down with gentle lines, calming shapes, and mindful repetition. Everything you need is inside this kit. So let's go ahead and take a look. I also just wanted to let you know that these videos that I do for the unboxings, they are not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money, and I just like to share them on YouTube. So here is the in every subscription box, Kelly draws a little bird. So look how pretty this one is, and on the legs she always has something written there. So this one says Mindful Mandalas. This is Kelly's signature right there, or her initials. Have some little cute ladybug there. Pretty flowers. I'm going to try, I hope that there's something in here that we can repeat. But look how pretty. She has some shading going on. So this is an original. It's not a print. Oh, I see some stuff. Okay. So here's a bag. There's always a bag with some tools in here. There's a pretty mandala sticker in a nice little glassine bag. I'm hoping I don't rip the sticker. I didn't, yay. Okay, so let's take a look. So first there's a Bic 0.7 HB number 2 pencil. So any number 2 pencil is fine. But that is nice and thin, and you don't have to keep sharpening it. Oh, look how pretty. There is a little tassel. Here is a pen. It's a mono drawing pen, 05, water resistant, water-based pigment ink fine liner. So if it's water-based, it's possible that I wouldn't want to use this with water or watercolors because it might fade. I'm sure this is probably the sketchbook. She always includes a sketchbook. So just some plain pages in there. There's nothing here. Sometimes she does put like a theme or a sticker on here, like with the May florals or whatnot, but it looks like not there. So that was what was in the package. And then there is a mandala template. So this is nice just to put your lines. So that's nice to have. Let's see what else. Ooh, okay. So just want to show there's a little bit of shreds in there, but look, there is a sketchbook in here. So it says 80 sheets of 140 GSM, 140 by 140 millimeters, or 5 by 5. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Well, that is nice. This sketchbook could be all of mandalas. Just taking the plastic off. So it looks like the brand might be Zealer. And again, it says 80 sheets, bleed resistant pale ivory sheets for pencil, ink, charcoal, and pastel sketching. And on the back, The plain bleed resistant pages are ideal for sketches, doodles, or writing, whether it's with pencil, ink, charcoal, or pastel. Made with durability in mind. Okay, and then there is an elastic band, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. This is fun. I have sketchbooks, but I don't have a square one. And this will be nice to dedicate just to mandalas. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like on the inside, the cover is nice and soft. It's not, you know, it feels like, I'm sure it's not pure leather, but it has that soft texture. So very nice. I'm very excited to start with this. So again, there is the QR code that I'm going to take a look at and see. I'm going to put this, I could probably put this maybe on my little sketchbook here. I'm going to be using this template, so that'll be fun. This tassel, I'm going to see what we do with this. I mean, it could be something that maybe I could attach to the sketchbook. Kelly, in her video, she usually lets us know, you know, what some certain things are for. So again, there's this drawing pen and pencil, and my little bird card. So that is it for this June 2026 unboxing of the Minutes of Zen subscription box. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.